How's it going, guys? It is Reversal Trader King, where I catch you guys the most precise bottoms in the stock market, guaranteed, and I'm going to show you exactly how I do that with my high value system that I've developed over the years. And then what you're seeing right now is a premium Discord too that I have that I give out my personal favorite trade idea with my entries and exits before I get in the market, and this will be down in the comment section of YouTube below. So let's get right into a stock I want to talk about is SOFI. SOFI has been getting a lot of attention. A lot of people talking about it. Obviously, it had a big little spike up in here, and now it's kind of like down here now. So with my system, I try to make it as simplistic as possible, where you don't need a lot of trading experience to get the general idea. Where you need the trading experience is to get the precise bottoms, and that's what I try to do here. So what we're looking at is the red band is a sell zone. You see when the stock gets up in here, it cannot sustain it and goes back down, and then it loses more right in here. So the stock has to correct to the blue band. That's why I've been teaching for a long time with this strat, and there's some loopholes in and out that there's some secrets because I've been using it so long that I know the distance and I know how long it should be, it takes should be there to get to the middle band. So just keep in mind there's so much to learn, but the general idea is, you do not want to hold a stock if it's at the red band at all. And then for another thing is price no, or when price gets to the green band, that I labeled it green because that is your buy zone. It does not mean you get in right away. You have to look at other factors, and that's when I talked about the precise entries where the more experience comes in, and that's where I come in with this system. But just knowing a general area is you ignore all these candles right in here. All these candles right in here are being ignored for buys. You don't get in till you see a clear buy zone. Let me show you if there was a buy zone ever for SOFI. Sometimes it's just not there for stocks. Yeah, I do not see. This is going to be the closest one right in here. You could actually use this one right in here, just like using this theory of like, okay, it doesn't really get near my buy zone, which I extended these things to be very oversold. So if it gets anywhere close to it, it's very oversold, and it does, and it has a long lower wick, and it just starts spiking up to that blue band, which was nice. So this stock tends to spike more often than not, and that's why it's constantly hitting these sell zones and then selling off rapidly. What I would like to see is then a closer candle to my green line. That's what you want to see, a closer candle to that buy zone. As you can see right in here, it gets a little close, and then it spikes up. So that's the general idea with this reversal trading system. It works really well with any stock in the market, and you do not want to be randomly guessing your buys. As you can see, the distance right in here, that is your potential target. Your blue band is what you should aim for. So if I'm looking at this stock, or this, right now where it's at, we're at 7.62, while my blue band is at 806. So there's not really a lot of room to get to that blue band. Yes, it could go way out of there, like in this area, and hit the red band, very fast. Yes, I definitely keep that in mind. Or it could do like what it did here. It's hit the blue band and then it sells off, hits the blue band and then it's selling off. You just don't know. When it hits that blue band, that is like flipping a coin, and you just do not know which direction it wants to go. Obviously, you can look at level 2, the order flow, all the buys and sells, and you can kind of correct like, okay, are we going to get through some major resistance area, which is I would like to see a clear right in here at the 8.60 area and then break that $9.04 area. But the basic theology is you want to be patient, you want to be disciplined, and buy when it's near the green band. Now, guys, if you enjoyed this system and you like finding reversals, you like finding bottoms, and you want to find precise entries, which is where I come in handy, when it gets near that green band or when it gets under the green band, I know where to get those precise entries, and I like to help everyone out here to find, the bottoms of a stock they like, and then make massive returns and repeat and find another one. There's always going to be a stock that is hitting my system that is triggering it. And there's, because you don't want to just randomly buy candles for no reason and not feel confident. Once you're down, you're going to get emotional and you might take a loss, or you might just be bag holding forever and keep buying every dip when that's not what you want to do, guys. Okay, so I made this premium Discord. This Discord is the lowest cost Discord you'll probably ever find for all the info you get. For only $6 a month, if you buy it on your computer, you go to the premium chat, it will ask you to subscribe, and it will unlock all these channels of trade alerts and my setup video to get exactly what you see on my screen to fit on your screen, and I talk more in depth about it. So it's only $6 a month. You'll get my exact trade, my entries and exits, and I'm very transparent. So whatever you see I take, I'm going to give an entry, and I will alert it before the price has hit that entry, and then I will alert an exit before it has hit that exit. That is exactly what you'll get from here. It's very transparent, and you get my favorite trade setup based on this system right here. And I couldn't get into more depth about it, but that's the general idea. I try to make it simplistic, where the red band is your sell, the blue band is where your potential target is, and the gray band is your buy zone. And it's obviously customized to the settings that I like, that I've seen in the whole stock market, where it reflects to what it should do. Anyways, like I said, I spent years doing this strategy. I backtested it for years. Finally came up with videos. I feel confident of other people putting money in the market and trusting me with my alerts. And we are been on a 6-month win streak of no losses, and that is freaking massive. A strategy that has been winning consistently every day, every month, making amazing returns, 10xing your account, and that's what you want to see, guys. The stock market can bring a very nice life for your family, give you that financial freedom to get away from that 9-to-5 job if you're disciplined, if you're willing to put in the work. And I'm putting in the work for you guys. I will hold your hands in exactly how to do these kind of trades. SOFI, me personally, it's just not yet there. The risk versus reward is just not there. I know it could spike up heavily. I hope the bulls do well here, but the distance to the middle band is just not there for me. But anyways, guys, if you like to find reversals, I am your guy. If you like to find the bottoms and and finding those precise entries, this is your guy, guys. If you like to subscribe, hit the like button and comment, and that will engage the YouTube video and the algorithm to share it to other people that watched it just like you, because you were trying to find a bottom and trying to find out what the price target for SOFI would be. Anyways, guys, if you like this video, I will see you in the Discord and hope to see you. And let's make a lot of money this week, guys. Catch you later.